What made R.A.M unique was that we came under the tutelage of Ella Baker. If anyone studies Ella Baker, they will understand that as organizers, while we may have been vanguard, we did not see ourselves as the solution. So we had that tutelage from Ella working with Snake. And she said the role of an organizer is to work themselves out of a position that the people need, you know, if the process is correct, because they develop in their own leadership. She said, wherever there's a black community, there's leadership.